Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. This time it is MunchPak time. You guys can get a discount. Click on the link down below. I believe I do have a promo code, the Stout79 or Stout79. But check them out. Every month you get monthly munchies delivered, all parts of the world. And we'll see what they packed in for us today. There we go. Nice and easy. Cut there. Ooh, pretty strong tape. There we go. Flip it. MunchPak. There we go. And this time it's Nick again. Alright, shout out to Nick. Just for you. Oh yeah. Here we go. We got the paper. Oh, we have Al Chipino. Whoa. Try a new angled New York deli cheese. Oh, these look good. Al Pacino. Great actor. Casino was a good movie. And now we have Bamba Osim peanut snack with hazelnut cream filling. Oh, just ate lunch, so I can have these later on. Nope. We have Bibito. Biebs? Justin Bieber? Oh boy, vegetarian. Yikes, spaghetti. Soft candy. Apple spaghetti. Interesting. Oh boy, these guys. Oh, Pikachu. Hey you, Pikachu. Say what? Pikachu. Those cards. Never got into Pikachu. Here's a Pokeball. But I do know a little bit about it from other YouTubers. Here we go. Very sweet box. Definitely not going to open that up. I know there's some Pikachu fans out there. Oh, we got the cheese. The cheese. 53%. Oh boy. What's the other percent? Oh, beer. Got some wine. Interesting. Here's ingredients. There we go. We got some Goo Goo cluster peanut butter. Got some nuts in it. Can't eat those. Standard candy. Nashville, Tennessee. Be down to another place. Uh-oh. We got Poppin' Cookin' Tanaushi waffle. Blueberry sauce. No bake. Cocoa waffle. Crushed jelly. Cranberry jelly. Is this one in the do-it-yourself? Is that an egg? Looks like an egg. Oh boy. There's a translator. Oh man, these are one of your do-it-yourself kits. Blueberry sauce. That's crazy. I had to do this later. Can't even get waffles. Oh, we got Smarties. I remember these. Chocolate ones or this normal? Yeah, these are normal, original. Oh no, Cocoa Plan. Cocoa Smarties. Never had those. Oh boy. Curly Whirly. Be treat-wise. It's like taffy, it feels like. Milk chocolate, milk salads, cocoa butter, all that good stuff. Alright. Oh, 2018. I thought it said 60. I'm like, oh. Oh, it expired, but it's not expired. It's all good. Oh, Stroop waffles. These are usually good. Toasted chocolate, cinnamon, real bourbon, vanilla. 2 giant wafers. Oh. Oh yeah, keep it cool and dry. And now we get a drink this month. These are really good. Sonic Speed, Sonic the Hedgehog, energy drink. I had these before in my local game store. So, like I said, link is down below. Give them a try. You could pick and choose your munchies, set your own up, or you could just do what I do and let them randomly pick. Some goodie. Oh, Drunken Phone. Here we are. Nice panoramic shot. You do Al Pacino, Sonic, Pikachu, Poppin' Cookin', Smarties, the vegetarian, and these guys, Cheesa. Alright, YouTubers, that is about it for today. Be safe and see you guys soon. See ya.